If you've ever researched moving companies, you've probably come across terms like USDOT number and MC number. They sound similar, but they actually serve different purposes, and knowing the difference can help you choose a trustworthy mover. A USDOT number, issued by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, is like an ID for a moving company. It tracks their safety record, compliance, and insurance status. Any company that moves goods across state lines is required to have one. An MC number legally empowers a carrier to move freight across state lines. It allows movers to operate as for-hire carriers in interstate moving. Basically, while the USDOT number focuses on safety and monitoring, the MC number deals with authorization to transport goods commercially. If a mover only works within one state, they might not need an MC number. But if they handle interstate moves, both numbers are required. When you're checking out a moving company, make sure they're properly licensed and registered. You can verify both numbers easily on the FMCSA website. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email contactus at movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.